Good afternoon. Today we have dahi chaat papdi in our main course and jaljeera in our beverage. Dahi chaat papdi is Indian chaat cuisine. We hope to represent Indian culture.
The same thing that it should be healthy. So we have tried to combine the best of both worlds. That's why we have made a Western cuisine with an Indian masala twist. Here we have flour bread spread, flour coming from the appearance of the bread, and we have a spread that is made out of curd, hung curd, cream, capsicum, cucumber, onions and carrots. Also we have done the seasoned with black pepper, oregano, chili flakes and some ghar ka pisa hua namak, which is our Pahadi delicate.
So we have Mumbai masala sandwich and rose water sharbat.